we have an HLV BK. New in 1960. Threading there. We just showed you threading. Yep. Alright, we're running it up to at 2300 there. We'll run it all the way up. There it is. 3000. There's your carriage. Of course, it's the variable speed on the carriage. It's a nice machine. There's reverse on the compound or the Alright. Oh nice. Let's show you the tooling you get with this thing. There's your top drawer. Second drawer. There is a 3-jaw, 4-jaw, and a Jacob's chuck there. We're going to show in the pictures. So, there you go. It's got a coolant pump. Looks like they took out the gusher and added another one here, see, on the back. Does have a coolant pump. Okay. She's ready to go.